Have you ever wondered how they make custom routed turf like this or like this? Well, follow us to Louisiana and we'll show you how they do it. This is our first trip as a company, and we are headed to Louisiana to figure out how to use what's called a scanner, which is what they use in order to make this custom routed turf. We rounded up the truck from Georgia and made the 8-hour trip out to Louisiana to meet up with the guys at Southern Cooler Marine Company. And they're going to be showing us how they route this custom turf, and more importantly, the beginning step to making this custom turf. So check it out. We finally made it and we're excited to be here. Now we get to learn how to use this scanner that we recently purchased for TBNation Outdoors Southeast. Scanning the boat is essentially the very first thing you need to do in order to create your own CNC custom turf job. There's this little pin right there that's connected to a string, and that string is measuring the distance away from the computer and plotting it all inside the screen. And it'll do this in either a 2D or a 3D image, whichever you need it to do. But you essentially just go around the boat, you click a button, you plot that point, and the machine already knows where it's all being placed. This will end up putting the scan into a file, which can then be transferred over to a CAD designer, and they will actually make the custom design in CAD, which then goes to a CNC machine with a router bit and actually physically cuts the design into the turf. We usually have a bottom color and a top color, which is what allows you to see that bottom color through the top. Right here we are basically just doing a test run on a boat, getting our feet wet with this machine and the scanner. But after that we drove around and saw some scenery. There were boats literally almost in every house, and the food here was amazing. Troy and Chris are actually from Louisiana, but this was my first time here, and it was a great time. You can now get your boat scanned at TBNation Outdoors Southeast in Georgia or TBNation Outdoors in Illinois. Hit us up if you guys are interested in getting custom turf jobs. Thank you to Southern Cooler Marine Company for having us out, and hopefully we get to make a trip back out here again soon. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.